Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, March 17, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, March 17, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong March 17, 2026 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, March 17, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for March 17, 2026, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, March 17, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.